All right, a slight change in plans from a few hours ago. December 30th here, 2024. One of my studio assistants here, the white bird with the black wings, Dr. Berkey Working Museum curator, director, chief ornithologist, yeah, art critic Chi Eep. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Said, how about a bird? When I showed them this, she started chirping. So I'm attaching this on here now with some glue and metal screws. All right, so the barbed wire from the British military anti-Nazi tank fortifications on the beach is not going on there. That's fine. I've got plenty of stuff on the frame here, as is. Okay, almost done now.